What is up? Welcome back to my channel. So as you guys guessed it by the title of today's video, today we're actually going to be doing an unboxing play box from Sephora. I am super excited to do that video just because first thing first, it is my first ever Sephora play box and I'm here to do this video with you, and we're gonna be unboxing, we're gonna be, sipping on some tea that I have to tell you. So without further ado, let's just get this video started. So before we're gonna dive into what's in the box and to the actual tea, I do want to mention that, as you guys all remember, in the beginning of the year, you guys have all voted for me to be a part of the Sephora squad. So this video is in partnership with Sephora. Now, moving into the actual tea, Sephora is actually going to be having a Labor Day sale, which means for you that if you've ever wondered what's the play box, what's it about, what's in the box, do I want the box? Can I choose what's in the box? All this kind of stuff. Now let me just say that your dreams are coming true this month, because you can actually get the box for only $9 and you don't have to be a subscriber, which means you can buy it one time and that is that, and you can choose your own box out of 13 boxes. So that is amazing because the assortment that the boxes have and the value is insane and is way more than $9. So now, shall we move to the box? I think we shall. The first thing in the box is actually this brochure right over here. Now, this brochure actually gonna be having all the items that you have in the box, and also the most important thing for me as a Sephora Rouge, and I'm telling you as someone who collecting points, this is the most important thing for me, and this is basically a 50 extra points, which means that if you go to Sephora to purchase something for $20 and you take this card with you, or if you shop online, you will basically get an extra 50 points to your purchase. And let me just say that for this alone, I kind of live in, if you know what I mean. Now, moving into the actual bag, box, whatever you want to call it, let me just show you what I got, and I'm super excited for it, and I will be explaining to you all why. Most of the things that is in here are actually on the really expensive retail side. As an example, the NARS liquid lipstick in the shade American Woman, which I am obsessed with. First of all, this liquid lipstick is, in my opinion, one of the best formulas to date, and that's because honestly it doesn't dry my lips personally, and the shade is absolutely stunning. I mean, do you guys see that? Yes, it is. And you can also, you can always reapply it without having any issues. And honestly, girl, if you're on fashion trends, then you already know the tea on the new bag trends, which each bag have to be this finger size, so that can fit pretty much the bag. So I'm good with that. I mean, because even my phone won't fit at that point. But anyways, now moving into another item that I'm super excited for. As you guys can see, I always do my waves, my wavy hair. So this is the wave spray, which I was really intrigued to try. So basically, let's just do it right now together. So I'm gonna be just doing my hair like that, and I'm gonna be spraying. Oh, it smells really good. It actually smells really good, and that's the first time I'm trying that. So basically, I'm gonna give it a little bit of volume like that. It kind of gives a texture to the hair. Feeling that for the first time, I can tell you this. And then, if I'm not mistaken, because I wanted to purchase that a few times now, that is $30 in Sephora. So the fact that you have this travel luxury size, that's a vibe, because guess what? You won't get it confiscated when you travel, just like what happened to me this summer. But that's for another video. That's for another video. We're not talking about it today. Now, moving into another item that is important, it's the Shiseido 50 Plus sunscreen. Now, this is a specific one, is a broad spectrum sunscreen, which means in the different words that it's protected from the UVA and the UVB sun kind of rays. So that for me is really important. I absolutely obsessed with sunscreen because I do live in California, and I'm not looking forward to get any of these, sunspots one day. I'm just not interested in them. So I always like to have one on me. So again, it's a bag size. It's really, really cute. And again, Shiseido is just on the luxury side of brands. Now, moving into another product. If you guys love perfumes, you're gonna be loving that because, do you guys see that? That's the replica Maison Margiela Paris. Pretty sure I mispronounced it, but again, you know, I'm an immigrant and that's what it is. So basically, for those of you who knows, this perfume is on the really expensive side. Like when I say expensive, I mean expensive. That the travel size is actually $30. So the fact that I have this sample size in here is just like a whole vibe, because that's alone gonna be like, I guess, $15 for this size. So you already got your value. And again, I really wanted to try those perfume for the longest time. So that's just another great way to try it and test it out. It's gonna be taking us some time, you guys, to take it out. So 1 second and we will be back. So we're back at it again, and finally I have the perfume in my hand ready to go, and then I'm gonna spritz it just a little bit. And then it is one of these, like, it has a really strong scent to it, which again is just who I am, and it's just the kind of perfume that I like. If you guys want to know which one it is, it's Music Festival, which we also like, as you all know by my content. Now moving into another item, which is an item that I actually need, because as you guys can see, I removed my lash extensions and I'm always down to try a new mascara. Now obviously this one is not new, but it is new for me. So this is the Sephora Lash Craft Big Volume, and definitely a girl needs some big volume lashes because now I have none. So I'm gonna be taking this mascara right now and I'm just gonna add some to my own lashes just to make them a little bit, you know, bigger, because bigger is better, pretty much. And we're gonna do it also on the other eye because, yeah, I don't want to look like a clown today. Halloween is in a month from now. Anywho's, moving to the last item in the box. This is the Dr. Jart Tiger Grass Color Correcting Treatment. So this is basically has also a 30 SPF in it. And as you guys all know, I do have some discoloration in my skin, and this is actually in a green color, and it actually turns beige on you. So then you can just go and apply your makeup without having, you know, the redness underneath. So then again, it's just like a color correcting, which is another item that I needed. And then again, Dr. Jart is just like another very expensive, luxurious brand. So there is that. And once you have those items for this size, you can actually test it out for, I believe, like about, you know, a week or two, and then decide whether, if you like it, to go ahead and purchase the big product. And the full size product is what I mean to say. And yeah, this is why I really do believe that this box is absolutely amazing, and it has an amazing value to it for only $9, as I mentioned. So make sure you actually use that for this Labor Day, because let me tell you, once it's gone, it's gone. It's while supply lasts. So, I mean, no pressure, but yeah, just go ahead, click the link in the bio, and that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy. If you did, then please be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below here. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye!